Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. From today we are going to start Adobe Photoshop 2022 course. And in this course you're gonna learn how you can edit your photos like professionals and how you can remove your backgrounds and everything in Photoshop. Let's start the video, and today we are going to learn how you can install Photoshop 2022 in your PC latest version for free. Let's start the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's jump to the PC screen. First of all, go to your browser and follow this link. I also give this link in the description. Open this website and search here Photoshop. I also give the link in the description of this website. Click on this Photoshop. I download Photoshop 2021 version. Scroll down and here you can see the download button. Click on download button and remember the password of this file. Click on download and wait for few seconds to download the file. Click on show all and here you can see our file is now downloading. Wait a few minutes to download this file. I'll back after the downloading. You can see here our program is download. Right click on this and click on exit here and wait a few seconds to exit this file. Click on yes and wait few minutes to install the Photoshop. Choose the directory where you want to install this. Continue. Wait few minutes to install this. Photoshop has been successfully installed. Click on close and you can see here the Photoshop icon. Open the Photoshop. And here you can see less introduction, some menus. This is menu bar and here you can create a new file and from here you can open your reset files. Click on create new and choose the width and height. Click on create. That's in the today video. In next video we going to learn how to use pen tool and how you can remove your background from your images. Thanks for watching my video. This is the first part of Photoshop. Next video is coming tomorrow about Photoshop. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this course. Thank you.